Okay, this is my first unboxing video, just for a bit of fun. Zyllion is the brand. ZMA Black, it's a Shiatsu massage pillow with heat. Both through Amazon.com, as you can see here. There's all these options. Knee massage notes, adjustable handle straps, ultra slim body. All those here. So we'll unbox starting from this part. There we go. Okay, now we get access to here. Boom. And let's, oh my god, yes, perfect. Okay, so here is the massager itself. Let's move the box a bit to here. What else do we have inside the box? We have the electric components, and we have a manual. Comes in a ziploc bag, and some other cables. That's great. Okay, so this we can remove. Thank you very much. Let's go to this guy. And here is the massager itself. Oh my god, yes, perfect. So it comes with a protective bag, which I guess is for storage. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out with one hand. Not the easiest job in the world, not that hard either. Okay, there we go. And here it is, the massager. Amazing, very simple operations, on and off button. And here's the cable, charge it and use it. Yeah, hope you liked this unboxing video. And yeah, there we go. And try to stop it like this.